What if your entryway could instantly make your entire home feel more expensive? Today, we're stepping inside a beautiful, small space entryway that proves you don't need a lot of space to create a powerful first impression. If you want your home to feel calm, elegant, and high-end the moment you walk in, this is for you. Welcome back to our channel. So happy to have you here. If you love soft, refined interiors and quiet luxury styling, you're in the right place. Today, we're focusing on one of the most overlooked spaces in the home, the entryway, and how to transform it into something truly beautiful. Watch until the end. You'll see the one detail that makes this space feel instantly expensive. Your entryway sets the tone for everything that follows. Even in a small space, it can feel calm, intentional, elevated. The key is not to overfill it. Luxury entryways are never cluttered. They're curated. Think of it as a preview of your entire home. Every beautiful entryway starts with a strong base. A slim console table works perfectly in small spaces. Look for warm wood tones, matte finishes, clean, minimal lines. If space is very tight, even a floating shelf can create the same effect. This piece anchors your entryway and gives you a place to style intentionally. One of the easiest ways to elevate a small entryway is with a mirror. A round or softly shaped mirror reflects light, makes the space feel larger, adds a soft, elegant touch. Position it above your console or shelf to create balance. This is one of the simplest upgrades that instantly feels high-end. Now let's style, but with intention. Instead of adding many items, focus on just a few. A ceramic vase with greenery, a tray for keys or essentials, one sculptural or decorative object. Leave space between items so each piece stands out. The goal is not to fill the space, it's to create a feeling. Color plays a huge role in creating that luxury feel. Stick to tones like warm white, beige, taupe, soft browns. These colors feel calming and timeless. When your entryway flows with the rest of your home, everything feels more elevated. Lighting is what brings everything together. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Instead, add a small table lamp, warm-toned bulbs. This creates a soft glow, especially in the evenings. This is what gives your entryway that cozy, expensive feel. When everything comes together, your entryway should feel calm, clean, effortlessly elegant. It welcomes you home and sets the tone for your entire space. If you were to upgrade one thing in your entryway, what would it be? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. And if you want to recreate this exact look, I've linked all the pieces for you in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.